Hello, welcome to the TCP3 Authentication and Release Station product introduction video. The TCP3 Authentication and Release Station was designed for transmitting RFID card data over the network. The TCP3 receives RFID card data from a USB card reader, which is connected to the TCP3, and the data is sent to a local network server or to an internet cloud service. Peripheral input devices can be attached to the TCP3 via its two USB 3.0 ports. Devices can also be connected via the external network ports such as network printers or other industrial tools. The TCP3 provides a communication pathway to print management software, but it also functions as an authentication device and can communicate with any network server. The TCP3 allows customers who have legacy printers to bring them into the managed print solution ecosystem without needing to replace them. The TCP3 also comes with a comprehensive management suite that allows for remote device management capabilities, such as updating firmware on the device and updating the configuration of the attached ELITech TWN4 card reader. The TCP3 was designed around four primary goals. Security. In today's world, protecting sensitive data and preventing network attacks is of prime importance. The TCP3 incorporates the latest data encryption methods to protect sensitive user data. Performance. The TCP3 contains a fast ARM-based CPU along with a full gigabit network speed capability and USB 3.0 ports for superior performance. Management. Being able to quickly and easily manage multiple devices over a network is what makes the TCP3 a standout in fleet management. And flexibility. The TCP3 is more than a single-function device. It was designed and built from the ground up to allow it to be used for many control and authentication purposes with room for future expandability. The TCP3 encrypts card data using the latest security methods such as SSL, TLS 1.2, and HTTPS. We've also enhanced our client mode to send card data using web services. In compliance with California law, every TCP3 has its own factory program unique device password that can be changed after initialization, either individually or by groups. The TCP3 is built on Linux version 4.14 with all the latest security updates and will continue to receive regular security updates during its product lifecycle. With a faster 64-bit ARM CPU with V8 core, the TCP3 increases speed and performance across its entire system. This includes processing job data, but also network and USB communication speeds. Moving data quickly is one of the highest priorities, which is why the TCP3 is equipped with full gigabit network speeds. We've doubled the memory footprint from our previous products with a larger 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal flash storage. The TCP3 also has an SD card slot for future memory expansion with a capacity of up to 2 TB by adding a standard SDXC card. TCP3 supports cross-subnet discovery using web services to quickly locate devices on the network, even if the devices are distributed across multiple network switches. TCP3 can now manage printers that are DHCP as well as static IP addresses. This will allow network admins to easily program the TCP3 to manage the printer's IP addresses from the TCP3 host console. TCP3 firmware can be remotely upgraded from either the device web page or from the TCP3 config management tool. The config tool also allows updating a fleet of devices at the same time. Additionally, the config tool allows an attached ELITech USB TWN4 card reader to be remotely upgraded with either the TCP3 web page or from the TCP3 config management tool. Built around the open standard operating system, Linux guarantees years of continued support. ELITech offers private labeling for customers who wish to customize the TCP3 with their own logo and information. ELITech can offer the base TCP3 to be modified by a vendor or have us tailor the hardware and software to create your own custom products such as memory size and power over Ethernet. This concludes our presentation for the ELITech TCP3. For more information, see us on the web at elitech.com.